think it was pretty easy. I think it's a good program to have for students because it exposes them to computer science, and I think that that's something that is growing, especially with like the use of technology now. So I think that it's a really cool opportunity for them to like get started on it at such a young age, because I don't think that that wasn't common like 10 years ago. And I think overall the links were pretty clear. I think 3rd through 5th grade really enjoyed Scratch. I think that it's important to remember like the age gap between these grades, because I think that, for example, our 5th graders were really able to follow along with the teacher and do all of the coding.
That was the most effective. Speaking for 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders, they were so excited to just get on and play with all of the different features. I know it was effective for me to have the videos that I could start and stop with the instructions. So when the videos were playing that were giving instructions on how to do the coding to get certain things done, it was good for me to be able to start and stop them so that I could show the kids where they needed to be.
Kids working with the software, I agree, it vastly changed from grade to grade, and their ability to either comprehend, understand, and read. A lot of what was already in there, I think, was really great. I absolutely love the brain break. I think it's a really good tool to teach them that, hey, every now and then you got to step away from your computer and do just a 5-minute physical brain break. So I absolutely love this. And then a lot of the tools that kids are already using, looking, improve. Those things are already familiar with it, so they understand how it works.